Hello teacher, my name is Vanessa Tapia and today we are going to develop the task number 4 that is tongue twister. So, the number 1. All I want is a proper cup of coffee. Made in a proper copper coffee pot, I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me if I can't have a proper cup of coffee. In a proper copper coffee pot, I have a cup of tea. Number 2. 1 was a racehorse. 2 has won 2. When 1 won 1 race, 2 won 2. 3. Of all the felt I ever felt, I never felt a piece of felt, which felt as fine as that felt. When first I felt that felt has felt. Number 4. Aims the means and coldest frauds, with softest wrists and loudest butts. He thrusts his feet against the pots, and still insists he sees the gushed. And number 5. 3 thin finger things, thick, thoughtful thoughts. So teacher, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.